Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nikesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the project overview of Kumar Prism Towers, which is located near Amanora Park Town, Kirtanebag, Magarpatta, Pune, and developed by Kumar World. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which this is the entrance of the project that leads you to the sales office. And in front of the entrance of the project is the Mundwa Kharadi Road. In this video, we are going to be discussing the below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. So, as you can see, I am standing at the sales office, which is right behind me, and then the land parcel of the project is on the left-hand side of the sales office. Now, giving you the project's overview with the help of project's 3D model. Kumar Prism Tower will be constructed on 2.1 acre of land parcel comprising of 2 towers, which will be having 2 basement plus ground plus 2 podiums plus 33 floors, offering 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of the project. This project is located near Amanora Park Town, कीर्तनेबाग, मगरपट्टा, पुणे. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, सेल्स ऑफिस के एंट्रेंस के सामने है मुंडवा खराड़ी रोड, जो राइट साइड से है कीर्तनेबाग रेलवे ब्रिज, जो आपको डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट करती है खराड़ी से, और लेफ्ट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करती है पुणे सोलापुर हाईवे से. And the road being shown to you right now directly connects you to Amanora Park Town. इस लोकेशन की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है सीजन्स मॉल, which is within 650 meters, मुंडवा चौक, which is within 1.1 kilometers, and मगरपट्टा सर्कल गार्डन व्यू, which is within 1.3 kilometers. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट के amenities के बारे में with the help of project's 3D model. This project has over 40 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, amphitheater, aqua deck, kids play area, multi-purpose hall and many more. तो चलिए अब मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ इस प्रोजेक्ट के कार्पेट एरिया के बारे में. Kumar Prism Tower offers you 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies, in which you will be getting 3 BHK starting from 1335 to 1358 square feet and 4 BHK starting from 1722 square feet carpet area. Now let us discuss the booking process. Project booking window is now open. The clients can come and see the site. Our sales team will help you with the complete project details along with the project's 3D model. We'll share with you the payment and the pricing schemes, and we'll show you the actual location of the project. And then, if the client likes the project, they can proceed with the booking process. So everyone, this was the project overview of Kumar Prism Towers, which is located near Amanora Park Town, Kirtanebag, Magarpatta, Pune, and developed by Kumar World. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.